Let's give our honoree a round of applause. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Please be seated.
At this juncture, the Naval Adjutant Captain Elvira R. Gonzalez from the Navy General Staff Corps will read the relief and designation orders of the outgoing and incoming Chief Nurse Navy. May we request our honorees to please stand. Unang impila ng Dagat ng Pilipinas, Headquarters Philippine Navy, Naval Station Jose Andrada, 2335 Ross Boulevard, Manila. General Orders Number 234, published on 26 March 2025. Section 1, Termination of Designation. The designation of Colonel Minerva A. Nana, Officer-125824, Nurse Corps Master National Security Administration, is terminated effective as the Chief Nurse Navy is terminated effective 27 March 2025. Section 2, Designation. Colonel Rebecca A. Frances, Officer-127252, North Corps General Staff Corps, is designated as the Chief Nurse Navy effective 27 March 2025 by command of Major General Amador Alan M. Javier, the Admiral Philippine Navy Chief of Naval Staff. Official Elvira R. Gonzalez, Captain Philippine Navy General Staff Corps, the Naval Adjutant.
The outgoing Chief Nurse Navy, Colonel Minerva A. Nana, Nurse Corps and USA, will now deliver her remarks and sign her relinquishment orders.